If an agent presents downside protection, upside potential without mentioning possibility of losing money due to fees, you might want to be cautious. It's only half of the truth. The other half is fees never sleeps and you could potentially lose money. Check if most of your money is in cash value on year 1. If you notice you have $0 in cash value on year 1 and 2, that indicates you have overpaid for the death benefit, which results a higher death benefit and higher fees. It is important to review the charges and fees that are associated with IULs. If the illustration provided by the agent does not include this information, request it to be added on. To ensure transparency and accuracy, ask the agent to show you proof of performance of an IUL through the courses of 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. Request to see the comparison of the illustration during the sale and the in-force illustration so you can compare them and make an informed decision. The numbers will speak for themselves. Here's a quick account summary of my IULs that lost money due to fees. This is when I didn't know any better. I was credited $179.93, but the fees are $649.32. I lost money. If you found this video helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe.